Through, the, through his studies of motion, of freely falling object and motion of object on an inclined plane, Galileo concluded that the rate of change of velocity with the time is constant of motion for all objects in free fall. On the other hand, the change in velocity with distance is not constant. It decreases with the increasing distance of fall. This leads to the concept of acceleration as the rate of change of velocity with time. The average acceleration a bar over a time interval is defined as the change of velocity divided by the time interval. A bar is equal to v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1, that is delta v upon delta t, where v2 and v1 are the instantaneous velocity or simply velocity at the time t1, t2 and t1. It is the average change of velocity per unit time. The SI unit of acceleration is milli per second square. On a plot of velocity versus time, the average acceleration is the slope of the straight line connecting the points corresponding to v2 t2 and v1 t1. Since velocity is the quantity having both magnitude and direction, a change in velocity may involve either or both of these factors. Acceleration therefore may result from a behavior in speed, magnitude, a change in direction or change to both. Like velocity, acceleration can also be positive, negative, or zero. Position time graph for motion with positive, negative, and zero acceleration are shown in figure 2.4 A, B, and C respectively. Note that the graph curves upward for positive acceleration, downward for negative acceleration, and it is a straight line for zero acceleration. Although acceleration can vary with time, our study in this chapter will be restricted to motion with constant acceleration. In this case, the average acceleration equals to constant value of acceleration during the interval. If the velocity of an object is v0 at t equal to 0 and v at time t, we have let us see how velocity time graph looks like for some simple cases. Velocity time graph for motion with constant acceleration for the following cases. An object is moving in a positive direction with a positive acceleration. An object is moving in positive direction with a negative acceleration. An object is moving in negative direction with a negative acceleration. An object is moving in positive direction till time t and then turn back with the same negative acceleration. An interesting feature of a velocity time graph of a moving object is that the area under the curve represents the displacement over a given time interval. General proof of the statement requires NEC calculus. Thank you.